In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Turn Off Tailscale. By the end, you'll know how to quickly pause Tailscale when you just need a temporary break, and how to stop it from launching automatically on Windows if you prefer to keep it off until you're ready. Let's start with a quick temporary disconnect using the command line. This is helpful if you're troubleshooting, conserving battery or bandwidth, or you simply don't want your device connected to your tailnet for a little while. Open your command line interface on your device. In the terminal, type Tailscale down and press Enter. That's it. This command disconnects your device from Tailscale right away. Your device will no longer route traffic through the tailnet, and other devices on your tailnet won't reach this one while it's down. Nothing is uninstalled, and your settings and login remain intact. You're simply paused. When you're ready to use Tailscale again, you can bring it back using your usual method for starting Tailscale. This approach is perfect when you want a clean, reversible way to step away without changing any long-term settings. Now, if you're on Windows and you don't want Tailscale to start automatically, every time your computer boots, you can change the service's startup behavior. Open the Services Manager in Windows. In the list, find the entry named Tailscale, then open its properties. Look for the Startup Type dropdown and change it to either Manual or Disabled. Manual means Windows won't start Tailscale on its own, but you or an application can start it when needed. Disabled goes a step further by preventing Windows from starting the Tailscale service at all until you return to this setting and change it back. Choose the option that fits your workflow, then confirm your changes to save them. Keep in mind, this setting controls what happens in the future. If Tailscale is currently running, it may continue to run until you close it or restart your computer. The key takeaway is that it won't auto-start the next time Windows boots based on the startup type you selected. To recap, you now have two clean ways to turn Tailscale off: a quick pause with Tailscale down from the command line, and a Windows-specific change that prevents automatic startup by setting the service to Manual or Disabled. Use the first when you need a short break, and the second when you want more control over when Tailscale runs.